Hello everyone. So after a long time I'm in a video. Here I got him at last. So it's winter is going on outside, and we the people are enjoying the beauty of winter. So you can see the parking here. Now I am at parking at Trishal. So after few time, then I will go to wedding ceremony, and there is a lot of crowd and people. So anyway, I hope you all are enjoying the video, and I hope next video we will talk more. And here is the man. All right, you know him. আপনারা সকলেই ওনাকে চেনেন। আমাদের আসলে এই যে ভাইরাল ভাই, সবাই ওনার জন্য দোয়া করবেন। আমরা দোয়া চাই আগামী ভিডিওতে আবার কথা হবে। সো গুড বাই।